Good morning, class. How are you? Okay, before starting our lesson today, please pray first before we start the lesson today. Pray start. Okay, let me take the attendance first. Budi, Siti, Ari, Dimas. Okay, that's good. Today, Mr. will reviewing the last meeting's material about narrative text. Before we get into the material, I will ask about what is the narrative text. Okay? Ari, what is the narrative text? Okay, that's good. Anyone to add more? Oh yeah. Siti, what is the narrative text? Okay, thanks for the answer. So, narrative text is one type of the text that tells a series of events with a chronological interconnected system. Narrative text is generally imaginative. The main purpose of the narrative text is to entertain the reader or listener of the story. So, generic starter of narrative text is 1. Orientation. Orientation is the opening part of the narrative text. This section introduces the characters in the story as well the setting of story, which includes the setting of the place, time, atmosphere, and social circumstance. And 2. Complication. This section contains the problems that occur in a story. In more detail, complication is further divided into 3 parts, namely 1. Rising action, 2. Climax, and 3. Filling action. Next, resolution. This section contains the completion or end of a narrative the story. A story can close with a pleasant ending or sad ending or hanging ending. Number 4, reorientation. The last part of the narrative text structure usually contains a conclusion in the character's disposition in the end story. Okay, students, because bell is ringing, it's time for us to end our class. Please summarize our material today. Any question before we stop? Oh no. Okay. Thanks for our meeting. Thanks for the attention. Goodbye.